This is the final product. I paired it already with my laptop, and I also found that for the MK keyboards, pairing sometimes can be painful process. Like it just doesn't go through. So something I learned, if you already have it paired to that computer and want to repair, then you need to delete that both on computer sides and clear that profile on keyboard side. Otherwise, it will just reject your attempts to pair it again. It cannot be stored in two different slots. So that's just something to remember if you cannot pair your keyboard no matter what. So then for testing the keys, this one I configure as repeat keys, the middle, so it's just repeating. And I'm using Colmac layout, so it is not going in order, but eventually we should cover all the area. Okay, and the bottom, this is a layer. Space control, enter, sticky shift, symbols, and Windows. Okay, everything is working. Caps lock. Okay, I have F11, F12 somewhere, I don't remember. But that's pretty much it. No right shift control alt or no numpad I have programmed here. I switched the theme at monkey type to bright one to reduce reflections from my laptop screen. This is it for Pinky4 keyboard. Overall, I like it very much. It is a nice split ergo keyboard. One last comment I have regarding the bottom row switches, because there is no case in this area and because of hot swap sockets it's quite easy to pull them out. So what I did, I put a little hot glue around the central stem of each switch in the bottom row, so now they hold much better. To carry this keyboard around, I'm using such a hard case from Amazon, which is designed for some kind of Bluetooth speaker, not for the keyboard, and it fits perfectly in this case. Okay, this is it for my building guide. Thank you so much for watching.